s'mores the American way. That's what we do in America here, bitch. First, what you're gonna want to do? You're gonna want to need one of these bad boys right here. You see this? This is a gallery series microwave. Nothing else but this. It works nothing else works except this baby right here. This bad boy has had this bad boy for 15 whole years, and she got next door that toughest Mexican shits and liberal shits that I've ever seen in my entire life. Now, let me show you. Next, after you got yourself a gallery series microwave, what you're gonna need a paper plate. I invest in a paper plate because you don't want to use a real plates, baby. You want to use some real bakes, you know. Kiki, do you love me? Okay, next what you want, you're gonna want these Hershey milk chocolates. Weiss brand. Nothing else, Weiss brand, doesn't work. Rice, quality since 1912, marshmallow classic, are fat-free. Remember, fat-free, Weiss, okay? Fat-free Weiss, okay? Fat-free marshmallows. And then you're gonna want Weiss again, okay? Weiss, you see that? Weiss. Make sure, remember, Weiss. Graham crackers, honey, okay? Stop throwing shit.
God.
Stop throwing shit. What you wanna do? You're gonna wanna open the box. You're gonna get one of these things out. You're gonna get these from the Jigger Ball Barbers. You wanna open these. Make sure you're watching closely. This one broke. Stop throwing shit. Want to get one? You want to get two. Because you need two to complete a sandwich. Sit back down. What are you doing up here in my personal space? This is my cooking space. Since there are 3 of us, I'm going to grab a total of 6.
3 times 2 is 6.
Alright! Once you got them Jigger Barbers, we're going to put that back in. You're going to want to seal it up good. You want to make sure you seal it up good. Because you don't want that stale. You don't want stale. You want to hear stale. Okay. That's what you want to do. You're going to open your marshmallows. Nah, first actually you're going to take a chocolate out of it. You're going to open it. By the top, pull down. You're going to take off the little wrapper at the top, okay? You're going to open this so you get to see the Hershey's milk chocolate. Now what I advise doing so you get a better appetite, you're going to split it in 2. So you have 2, right? 2. Take the top cracker off. Okay? Put 1. Now this is where you're going to want to grab a marshmallow. Okay? You want to grab 1 marshmallow. Put it on top of the chocolate. Then with this other piece of chocolate, put that right on top. Yes. Then you're going to squish it all together. Now, it may not seem like nothing at first, but we're going to cook this bad boy real soon. It's going to become a melted penis. So, after that, I have 2. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this 2 more times because these 2 fat fuckers want some. I'm not talking to you guys.
Do you want a pen?
Please not disturb me while I'm cooking. Sit back down. Get out of my cooking space. Alright. Excuse the, No, good cooking takes time. It takes a lot of time. Put that down. Alright. chocolate. Here's my marshmallow. You can just stay on. Go, perfect. Beautiful. 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 You know what? I'll just assemble it in the microwave. Now you want to take this over to your Grand Series microwave. Remember, no other than Grand Series microwave. You're going to open that bitch. You're going to put that bitch in. You want to clear that if you have anything. And let me just assimilate these together. Make sure these doohickers, these damn liberals don't fall over. You may need to squish your back up a little bit, sir. You may need to...
This episode is sponsored by Fisher's Popcorn. Family owned in the original Ocean City location since 1939.
7.
So.
Beautiful. Shit! Shit! Alright. I'm gonna close that bad boy. Hold on me. Please don't fall over. I'm gonna put that. We're gonna try. We're gonna do 30 seconds at first, okay? We're gonna wait 30 seconds. Sit back down. Sit back down. Sit back down. Sit back down. This isn't a joke. Watch the process.
They all fell over. What the?
Maybe I should have thought of this better. Oh, silly me. Hold on. Excuse me real quick. Oh, you see, they get a little big. That's normal. Just wanna... yep. So, what we're gonna do... We're gonna take these off first. Get the fuck out of my way! We're gonna put these... We're gonna put those right there. Okay?
It's been 8 minutes.
Okay, now let me just clean this up.
Oh my god.
Is there chocolate on the... Oh my god.
Don't talk, you're the audience. Hey, yo, bitch! Okay, good. Now, we're gonna put these back in.
My god.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna put it in for 15 seconds, because we're already to 30 seconds. We don't want to push it too far, you know. We don't want to do a full entire minute, because my entire microwave is gonna explode. My house is gonna catch on fire. Then I have to go resort to mail stripping to get some money to repay my house back. It's just gonna be a long hassle. So, you know, we're only do 15 seconds, you know. Alright, so that's done. Let me just throw the remaining trash out, just to clean, you know, keep this place. Hey! Hey!
Fuck.
Do not touch that! Do not touch that! This is none of your shit! Alright.
What the fuck?
So now you should have some... you should have something that looks like that. That means you did good. So now you want to grab the top of your cracker. You want to scoop it on. There you go. Or you can just... You're gonna want to grab one and...
Just wait, do I do it? So I do it like this?
Very good. Alright. This was Cooking with Zach. Episode 1. Homemade
So
more
stringy.
American s'mores. If you want more videos like this, donate to my Patreon. I don't know. Like, well, I'm good.
What the fuck?
I need you to subscribe my channel because the bitches like good cooks. And the bitches see this shit, I'm all in. One. Fuck.
It's too chewy.
You like blowed.
I wasn't asking for your fucking opinion.
You
I
gonna
was showing
finish
you.
that?
It's not mine. Oh shit. I wasn't asking you for your fucking opinion. I'll show you how to make American fucking s'mores, you fucking bitch. Give me this shit.